Hi everyone, today I will be making quick and easy homemade keto and low carb cannelloni. Go straight into the ingredients. Here I have 4 eggs, medium sized, which I'm going to whisk. After whisking, I am now going to add the seasonings. Here I have garlic powder, onion powder, and white pepper, and a dash of salt. And I'm going to mix again. After mixing, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of wilted spinach. To the mixture, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. I'm now going to add 5 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and mix. I am going to use an oven tray, which I have already lined with parchment paper and lightly brushed with some butter. Then place the mixture onto the tray and spread out. Then put into the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Our cannelloni is now ready. It's easily removed from the paper. I'm going to cut it into squares or any other shape you prefer. You can see how easy it is to handle and roll. I am going to use a glass Pyrex dish. For the pasta filling, I am personally going to use some cooked lamb mince with thyme and keto appropriate basil red sauce, but of course you can use what you prefer. Place some of your desired sauce onto the bottom of the glass dish. Then taking one of the cannelloni squares, I am placing the mince and gently rolling into the shape of the cannelloni. And then place into the glass dish. Notice how easy it is to roll and handle, and it doesn't break. After rolling up our pasta pieces with the filling, I'm going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top. Then I'm going to add more sauce on top of that. Then place into the oven at 180 degrees for around 10 to 15 minutes till browned. Our homemade cannelloni is now ready. It took for me around 15 minutes to brown. It looks and smells great. It was so easy and quick to make. You can also pre-make the cannelloni pasta and store it in the freezer for when you need it. I hope you try this recipe out. It's truly one of my favorites. Any questions, please let me know. And until next time.